welcome back. Thanks for subscribing. Today, Fanvue and face swapping. Is it allowed? There is a loophole. I'm going to show you it. Scan my QR code if you'd like a free consultation. Okay, let's get into this. Scanning through their site quickly. My formal training is UX UI design. Their UX could be a little bit better as far as their clicks. Okay, so Fanvue AI. It's one of the only sites that offers these monetization features, subscription platforms. So there's a bunch of different features. For example, there's AI voice note, which is always on for automatic replies. It also caters to your voice and your tone, but the messages are made up via AI. Fanvue has really good analytics. There is a wait list for the new AI features, so you can sign up. Again, scan my QR code for free AI consultations. I'll get back to you within 24 hours. Okay, so community guidelines. We're going to focus on the AI generated media section. So there's disclosure, there's nature, there's moderation, there's age and appearance, there's compliance and copyright. I'll let you guys read through that. You can pause it if you like. I just want to get right to the point. So this is the loophole right here. So number one, face swapping is allowed if you're the original creator. Number two, you gotta have proof of copyrights. Number three, you gotta have KYC ID documents. Short form of that paragraph. But there's also another moderation area you need to be approved. So it's called moderation testing you must pass. All AI generated content goes through this moderation testing. It's called a reasonable person's test. It's conducted by three real humans, real people. Once you pass the test and confirm ownership, you're set to go. This is not a paid ad. I am a freelance designer, so please scan my code. And as far as the feedback for this site, I'm going to give it a moderate, because I had to do a lot of my own research and the information is not clear and direct, and it seems to be a loophole and you have to kind of dig for information. So these are the key guidelines and review. Reasonable person's test. Face swapping. And obviously this is a reason. Impersonation will definitely get you banned and removed from the site. But thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, and chat. I appreciate you. Scan my QR code for a free AI consultation. Thanks for watching.